In this video, I'm going to review translations with you, and stick around till the end and I'll show you a chart that you could keep that will show you the tricks on how to do translations, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says graph point S, which is at -2, -4, after a translation of 5 units up and 6 units left. Okay, we could see S is at -2, -4, like the problem says, okay? So the first step is to know that a translation slides a figure to a different location. So add 5 units to the Y coordinate. So that's the first thing we're going to do. A translation up means the Y coordinate is increasing. So we take -4 and we add 5 to it, so it becomes +1. The Y coordinate for the translated point is +1. Now we add -6 units to the X coordinate. A translation left means the X coordinate is decreasing. We have to go 6 units left, okay? So now we take -2 and we add -6 to it, so it becomes -8. And the X coordinate for the translated point is -8. So now we just need to plot the new point. So it becomes -8, 1, which is the new point here. It just got slid this way to here. And that's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. In there, there's a link to my ebook. In the ebook, you can find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, there's links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this, and some of them also review how to add negative numbers. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.